Yo, what's up YouTube? Guess what? Zayden got in the mail. Alright. It's his new phone. We got this in the box. It's a UK charger. We got an aux to USB-C. And the phone. Oh, let's get into it. Alright, so in this box is the Xiaomi Qin F21. It's a phone which kind of looks like my current phone, but the screen runs Android. I know. Let's open it. If this footage looks no good, you're not getting uploaded. Oh. So it's open. Got the lid. What do we got here? Oh, here's the phone. We got screen protectors. And here's the phone. Here she is. See that? Seen that? Oh yeah, bruh. Oh, it has the case on it already. Might even have a screen protector on it already. Let's see, how is it size compared? Oh, it's about the same size. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. I'm glad of it, it's smaller though. Alright, what else do we have in the box? SIM ejector tool. That's always handy. Okay. Oh, we got a USB-A to USB-C. Interesting. And we got what's this? It's an instruction manual, which is in Chinese. Alright. Let's put all that to the side. Put that to the side. We'll grab the SIM ejector tool there. I'm going to use it. Put that back in. Alright. So it is. Yeah. Let's peel it. Can you grab this? Ooh. Pretty clean. Look at that. Alright. I'm guessing it's like my current phone, where the off button is the on button. I meant the hang up call button is the on button. Let's hold it. Let's see if it's charged. Hoo. Fancy. Is it gonna do anything? Oh. Don't even have to do a setup or anything. That's strange. Left function and start unlock. What's left function? Left function. Here we go. Oh. I'll get it set up and maybe screen record some stuff. This is sick.